But this is trading and anything can happen. So if these two trades actually hit my TP, then I'm definitely going to be coming out of this drawdown and also have profit on top of it. The AUDJPY trade, I told you guys yesterday that I'm waiting for it to see if it will drop back to my entry level, then I can take the trade again. I've actually smashed it without me. So 7 steps. Alright guys, so today is 16th of June 2025 and here's what my account balance currently look like: $4,904, and I'm short of $94.94 right now. So the gold trade I was swinging was what actually helped me to come out of that drawdown a little bit. So I'm still down about, let's just call it roughly $100. Right, so here is my graph right here. As you can see, it has increased a little bit. So let's see if I'm going to see trade opportunities this week to actually help me come out of this drawdown this week. Here are some trade setup I'm currently looking at on GBP USD. So I want to see price drop down to this bullish order block, and I can take a trade to the outside to take out this buy side liquidity right here. Then on Euro USD, this is actually a 3 hours fair value gap coupling with a bullish order block on the daily time frame. So this is a daily OB. So I want to see price drop into it with a confirmation entry, then I can take a trade to the upside to take out this buy side liquidity right here. While on gold, this is actually a bullish order block and this is a fair value gap right here. So I want to see price drop into this fair value gap coupling with a bullish order block, then I can swing trade it to take out this buy side liquidity right here. Now for AUD USD, I already missed this move, but I just hope it gets back to this my entry level, then I can take this trade as well. This is where I was waiting for price to get to, but unfortunately price didn't get here, so I missed the move right here. I only chipped in 0.01 lot size, which is not profitable this thing lot size. So I'll wait, let me see if price can drop down to this level again, then I'll take the trade as well, because this AUD trade, AUDJPY trade, is actually a profitable one, or it's actually a nice trade for me to take. All right, and it's also a swing trade, which will give me about 100 and something pips on this move right here. So let's see how this week is going to be, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. So what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, and the AUDJPY trade, I told you guys yesterday that I'm waiting for it to see if it will drop back to my entry level, then I can take the trade again. I've actually smashed it without me. So that trade is actually a very painful one, because the lot size I used on that account, that trade was just 0.01 lot size. So it was actually very painful that I didn't really make much profit from it, even if the pips I made was actually 120 pips. So that's kind of crazy. I missed that trade. Alright, so right now I'm currently waiting for gold to drop into my point of interest, then I can take a trade to the upside to actually take out the buy side liquidity right here. This one is actually going to be more like a swing trade, or one shot one kill, just like my mentor calls it. But let's see how it's going to be. GBP USD and Euro USD, they are still consolidating. They have not dropped into my point of interest yet, so I won't be taking any trade on GBP USD and Euro USD today. Maybe by tomorrow or by Thursday, that's when the trade is going to play out. All right, so let me show you guys my chart right now. So guys, this is the AUDJPY trade, and it just hit TP right here. It just hit TP. This trade is actually a crazy one. Now here is the before. So before I took this trade, I actually posted it in my Telegram channel, and here is the before, and then the after. We just smashed TP right here. This is actually a crazy one, and all I was risking on this trade was just 0.01 lot size. Oh my god, I'm so heartbroken right now, guys. Well, nevertheless, I'll see what if I can find another. Alright guys, so today is Thursday. I'm giving you guys an update on the GBP USD trade I told you guys I was going to take. So here's in the 4-hour time frame, and price actually came into that bullish order block, the 4-hour bullish order block. I went in and I lost the trade. Right, so it was actually a loss. I lost about $20 of my account, and right now price is inside the fair value gap I have on the weekly time frame. But I'm not going to be taking trades today, because today is actually bank holiday on USD, which is in United States. We have bank holiday today, so I won't be taking trades today. Alright, so I'll wait for tomorrow. Maybe price might actually get here, then start rallying up, then tomorrow I'll continue the move. Alright, now for the gold trade, this is the gold trade I told you guys on the previous slide that I'm going to take a trade from this fair value gap right here. I did take a trade from here. I also showed you guys the trade, and I allowed it to run because this is actually a swing trade. So when I woke up this morning, I realized that price has already hit my stop loss. So I'm down about $30 of my account. Yeah, I was risking more on this one. This is actually a swing trade. I was risking more because it's gold and it's very volatile. So that's the reason why. Now I have another point of interest I'm looking at on this gold, which is on the weekly time frame, and it's actually a weekly order block. So this is actually a weekly order block. Let me make this thing bolder. So this is a weekly order block. Price is already into it. It might start rallying up from here, but today is bank holiday. I'm not gonna be taking trades today. But this is AUDJPY, the 4-hour time frame. So there's actually a fair value gap right here and a bullish order block. Price is already into the fair value gap, and I'm going to be taking this trade today. So because this is AUDJPY, the bank holiday on USD doesn't affect it. So I've actually seen a confirmation entry. So let me get in on this trade right now. So this is the AUDJPY trade. I just got in right now with 0.20 lot size. I'm risking about $12. Now the reason I'm risking $12 is because yesterday I risked $30 plus yesterday. So I didn't want to go in deep drawdown, just in case if I lose this trade. I don't want to go in deep drawdown this week. Alright, so this is the trade, this is my stop loss, this is my entry, and this is where price is still currently at. So let's see if this trade is going to hit my TP or hit my stop loss. Alright.
So what's up guys? This week trading has already come to an end and I didn't really close in profit. Alright. But I currently have two trades that are still running. So I have AUDJPY trade and I also have gold that's still currently running in profit. I just hope they hit my TP and not my stop loss. Alright. If these two trades actually hit my TP, then I'm definitely going to be coming out of this drawdown and also have profit on top of it. Alright, and I just hope it hits my TP for real. But this is trading and anything can happen. So without much saying, let me just show you guys my chart and show you guys the trade and how it's currently running. Alright.
So here is an update on the AUDJPY trade. So I actually got in and this is where price is currently at right now. And I hope we actually hit TP by next week. Alright, so here is it on my MT5. This is my MT5 and this is the profit, $47. It went about 60 something dollars before, but it has retraced down to $47. And this other one right here is actually gold. So let me show you guys my gold trade. So after gold hits me out right here, which is the previous slide that I showed you guys, I think that was on Thursday. So it hits me out, then it went down to a weekly order block, right? This is actually a weekly order block. I saw a confirmation entry within this range, then I got in. So that's the move right now. Alright, that's the move on gold. As you can see on my MT5, that's the profit, about $17 in profit. So by next week, let's see if it's going to hit TP or smash my stop loss. Alright, now this gold trade I only use 0.01 lot size. And the reason is because I was already risking $12 on that AUDJPY, so I didn't want to risk much on that day. And remember that I said on my previous slide that this is actually weekend, so I don't want to go in deep drawdown on this weekend. So that's why I was just risking $20 in total. So $20 in total on Friday. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next episode.
So that's basically how this trade is currently running. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also drop a comment in this comment section. Let me hear your thoughts. Alright, about this my journey, because it's taking too long. I never expected it to be this long. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next episode.